This is the Asian session review on the spot gold market for Friday, the 24th of July, 2026. Nasty Asian session on Friday as it looked as though gold was compressing and was going to move further down, chopping about. This session, we were below the lower value fire line. So we were in bearish price discovery on that one. We were inside this value area from the volume profile, right at the point of control for most of the start. Tokyo opened up and went on the sell, and even though the previous day's low was very close by, for me, you have to be in these types of breakouts if you want to trade the larger moves. You can't just sort of choose this one in hindsight saying, oh, I wouldn't have traded that, because this could have easily broken down. Lots of liquidity below. This is Thursday's low. And if you're going to miss 100% of the moves if you don't take those trades. So you have to also be ready to manage your risk quickly. We had this close outside the value area low, so we're in true bearish price discovery, but it was a failed breakout, and that's okay. I can't buy this return to value here because I'm below the dynamic line as well as the lower value fire line. So just had to get stopped out, unfortunately. Hindsight, you see like a stop somewhere much further up, but that could have easily been tagged as well. The security was above the 3 a.m. hourly high. Price did not come anywhere near that. Price was chopping around these highs here. So loss there. Tokyo Open, the Shanghai Singapore Open, sorry, came down, did not close below, but seeing the power in this move, I did get in on this 5 minute, got chopped around again, and unfortunately had to take a stop right where price turned around, and that happens way too often, unfortunately, in especially trading gold, where you just could have had your stop a little bit higher, but there's no, this type of powerful bar here could easily have moved up to the value area high, come in and tag that breakout of here and moving on up. So imagine if you didn't have your stop, your account would be decimated. Finally, on the third attempt, sort of tried through here, took another trade to see if this would be the final break. This time price was held by the point of control and the dynamic value line, and price started to move down beautifully in the third hour. So you've got Tokyo as the first hour, Shanghai as the second hour, and then my last hour of trading, often price will that finally make its move after maybe it's sucking in buyers here, they've put their stops here, or sellers have been stopped out, they've collected positions. And unfortunately, I've got it down closer to the first downside fire line, but this 1245 moved way past there. And even waiting for the close would have been nice. An ATR trail, very similar to where I got out. You would have got a little bit more. Perhaps you would have been tagged off on that one because you trailed into there. And that was it. It's sort of a lot of accumulation down here then. Sellers distributed into this, buyers came in, stepped in, and then moved price back up towards in London, all the way back up to this lower value fire line and almost up to the IP. So 2 losses and finally a trade to claw back to finish out the week.